Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haze. I'm an artist and speed painter from Malaysia, and today we'll be doing a gouache painting. But first, we are customizing my Bjd first. So if you do not know what's a Bjd, it's a ball jointed doll that I'm trying to change the hairstyle so that I can do a photo shoot later on. And now I'm just doing a stitch onto the fabric temporarily so that I can create some nice pleats that can drape nicely over her body. This is how the final shoot looks like. And now we will prepare our sketchbook for the painting. I'm going to protect one side of the page with brown paper and then mask the edges for the actual paper that I'm going to paint on. For sketching, I like to use the Pilot Color Mechanical pencil, but bear in mind that this is water soluble, so they will smear when you paint your watercolors on. But don't worry, because now we're going to lay a flat wash over our sketch, and once we lay this flat wash quickly and confidently in just one pass, our watercolor pencils will not smear anymore. So the first thing I'm gonna do is use the gouache paint just like watercolor, so very runny, a lot of water, and just lay a thin wash of color over everything on my paper. So I'm just laying the color that I think the object will be. I super love to use this refillable water brush and fill it with water, and I can use it to blend edges off. At this point, I realized that I do not have blue for this painting, and I will need to unbox my brand new Miya Himi Gouache palette. So I went and bought the biggest pack. This is Miya Himi Gouache 56 colors. Look at how big the pack is in comparison with my hand. I was expecting there to be a palette on the cover, but the cover only has two padded foams stuck to each other. And here we have a card with the swatches all ready for us. Unfortunately, the swatches does not match the arrangement of the paint tubs in the set. So the only way to sort this out is to read the Mandarin words and match them one by one. But my Mandarin is not that good, so I'm taking some time to sort this out. Oh my god, look at all the beautiful colors, so pretty and disorganized. But I'm still on the ground. It's a dizzying day. I would give a lot to get away. It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me? And now I'm just taking out some of the paint tubs that I will be using for today's painting. I was so shocked because the colors are so strong and pigmented. It came out really opaque on my paper, and I had to really dilute it a lot to save it. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and paint the fabric on because the fabric is translucent. I am still thinking how to paint it, so I want to explore this first and try a few things out.
Could you bring some light to me? Or just sit beside me and never leave? It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years.
Now I'm going to start painting the elements, and just think of it as painting layers and layers of shadows. So this is my first layer. Just keep painting and painting until the shadows get as dark as you want them to be.
I won't get close to your heartache. If you won't open your door, I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. You won't get closer to me if you won't open your door. If that's what you want, then baby try to believe me when I say that you can tell me anything. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side.
And now we will start to paint the portrait. So for the portrait, I like to use the paint and blend method. So I'll first drop in paint using my brush, and then I'll use the refillable brush to blend the colors out.
Hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side. I'm here. Let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me.
I never thought in the wildest dream I'd see you again. Never dreamed about nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting, waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my 'Cause I can stay till the morning, or stay till the dawn, but just hold me now. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind. 'Cause right now we're not together, and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Yeah, yeah, whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Is it too late to feel you? Is it too late to tell you about how much I'm sorry for the things I have done, for the things I never did? But I promise, dear, I'll never let you go. So don't let go, get close to me. Oh, don't let go, get close to me. My body's waiting for you. I know your body's been waiting too. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind. 'Cause right now we're not together, and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Yeah, yeah, whenever you're around, whenever you're around, whenever you're around, yeah, whenever you're around.
I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around. Got on. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you like this video and how I can improve so that you can learn better from my future videos. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.